How to change the shape of your webcam in Streamlabs OBS. Changing the shape of your camera in Streamlabs OBS is like customizing the frame of a picture. It helps you fit your camera feed neatly into your stream's design, adding a personal touch and enhancing the visual appeal. So here's what we are going to do. We're just going to open Canva for now. Now that we are here in Canva, what we are going to do is we're going to create our own design. So this one, I'm going to change the background later on. So we're going to change this background into black. There you go. So next thing is we're going to add our own shape. So for example, here we have shapes option. We're just going to click see all and then scroll down here until we find something that fits best. Say for example, this one, I'm interested in using this one. I'm just going to open it. There you go. I'm going to click this one and basically enlarge it. I'm going to put it in the center. Now after putting it in the center, I'm going to click the color. I'm going to change it to white. There we go. So simple as that. What we're going to do next is we're going to basically just extract this one. We're going to download it. We're going to click the JPEG and then hit download once again. All right, there you go. I'm going to put it there. And from here, we're going to go back to our Streamlabs. Here you go. I'm going to open my camera. All right, there you are, but expect me to blur this one out. I'm a camera shy, everyone. All right, now the next thing is we're going to right click this one and we're going to add filter. Click edit filters, and then from here on we're going to click add filter. Yes, we want to have image, mask, or blend. We're going to click add, and then from here I'm going to click browse. Now after clicking browse, you can choose your own design. So this is what we had earlier. I'm going to click this one, and there you go. I'm going to close this, and basically that's how you're going to change the shape of your webcam in Streamlabs OBS. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 of discount right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.